Well, we've been working on the technology for smart contracts for roughly 4 years, 4 or 5 years now. Um, so I guess it's four plus. So it's getting closer. That's what I can tell you. We've built a lot of the base technology for it. Half is all the stuff we've done in half has been based on developing it. We are, in fact, at the stage where we're now specking out the higher level the higher level pieces for smart contracts. So one of the things we're doing different in our smart contracts is it's completely a second layer smart contract system, and that was one of the things we from the start I wanted to do. I wanted to get it out of the core code for a lot of different reasons I've talked about elsewhere. But we've been making a lot of progress that again won't be seen by anybody that's not following very closely the low level what we're doing. A lot of making a smart contract system is about making a very efficient smart contract system, also making one that's easy to write and debug and catch problems, because one of the big problems with smart contracts is once they're running and they can have, if you have bugs in them, they can be disastrous. So a lot of things we've been working on is how to avoid those kind of problems, how to make it easier for programmers to work with them, and also how to make them very efficient. Because another problem we saw with smart contracts is they can often take down the core code with just slowing it down to a crawl because of inefficiencies that could be exposed when you allow somebody to run somewhat semi-arbitrary code inside the blockchain itself. And even outside the blockchain, even the second layer, you don't want one smart contract to be impacting the other smart contracts just because it's slow. So you run into these kind of things, and we've been developing the software that avoids these problems, but it just takes a lot of time.